Hello students, once again we are together and today we are having fifth part of our video of chapter 1. We were talking about fertility and then I promised that I will discuss productivity of the soil, but one part of fertility is left. So let me cover that first and then we'll go to productivity. So previously we saw the factors governing fertility of, or governing, or you can use the word affecting fertility of the soil. All those factors were natural, okay, like the parental soil, like the climate. I'll not talk again and again the same thing. Let's talk about the artificial factors. Artificial, that means we are talking about man-made factors. आर्टिफिशियल मीन्स मैन मेड, जो इंसान के किसी काम के वजह से जो बदलाव आ रहे हैं, दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल. इन दैट द फर्स्ट वन इज वाटर लॉगिंग. यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन सम एरियाज due to poor drainage system of the city, lot of water gets accumulated. कई जगह देखा होगा आपने, बहुत बड़े बड़े पेड़ हैं और यहाँ जो है मकान बने हैं और वहाँ से पानी जो है ड्रेनेज सिस्टम से यहाँ आ रहा है. धीरे धीरे पानी इतना ज़्यादा इधर एरिया में हो जाता है कि वहाँ दलदल सा हो जाता है. अब यहाँ पर कोई खेती करना चाहे, then what will happen? I don't think the fertility will be good. The crop will not grow. Okay, so too much of anything is also bad. Water is good for plants, but if it is too much, then it is harmful. So water logging, if you have lot of water in a particular area throughout the year, so that is called water logging and that affects the fertility. दूसरा जो है, second one is cropping system. Cropping, that what type of crops a farmer is growing in his field. If the same type of crop is grown year after year, then the fertility of the soil goes down. That's why it is said that crop rotation is a better way of doing agriculture than growing the same crop year after year. So if a person is not obeying this formula of crop rotation, वो इसको नहीं मानता है, बोले नहीं साहब हम तो एक ही चीज़ उगाएंगे, then that will decrease the fertility of the soil. So that's why it is a cropping system. So this is not naturally man-made. आदमी अपने हिसाब से सोचता है, करता है. Then comes the pH of the soil. pH of the soil, that means the presence of hydrogen atom. pH, जब आप chemistry पढ़ते हो, then this pH का presence of hydrogen. You must be knowing that the natural water which we all are drinking, the pH of this is 7 and the pH scale जो होता है, that scale is from 1 to 14. 7 is here. ये मान लें पानी का pH आप 7. Now if pH is less, then this is acid. If it is more, then we say this is alkali, या बेस भी कहा जाता है इसको, बेसिक, acidic, basic. So this also affects. Too much of acidity is also bad and too much of alkalinity in the soil is also bad. So the best soil for good fertility is the soil having pH value 7. इसलिए आपने देखा होगा कि किसान जो है अपने खेत की मिट्टी को जो है लैब में ले जाते हैं और वहाँ पे मिट्टी की जांच करवाते हैं कि इसमें क्या कमी है, क्या ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, उसी हिसाब से उसका ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है. सो द सॉइल pH इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन कम्स सॉइल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप. देयर आर सर्टेन ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच आर हेल्पफुल and some are harmful. So if you have got suppose fungus in the soil, then what happens? The plants do not grow, they get spoiled, they get disturbed. So that is not good. But there are certain microorganisms which are beneficial for the soil. So this also plays very very important role. Next is organic matter in the soil. Organic matter. You must have noticed, you must have seen, आपने आसपास देखा होगा कि घरों से जो या तो पशु हैं घर में, अक्सर जो किसान उनके घरों में होता ही है, चाहे गाय बैल बकरी कुछ भी हो, तो गोबर को एक जगह रखा जाता है, उसका ढेर बन जाता है, वहाँ सूखता है सड़ता है। और जब खेती का टाइम आता है, जब खेती में जब जुताई की जाती है, प्लॉइंग की जाती है, देन दैट टाइम दैट पर्टिकुलर cow dung, the mixture of organic material, that is taken into tractor and then taken to the field. So that adds organic matter in the soil. So if a farmer is adding organic material regularly every year in the soil, then fertility of that soil will be better than that farmer who doesn't do this. आप कभी खेत में कुछ नहीं डालते हैं तो naturally the fertility will be very very poor. So this is also a man-made artificial thing. Then comes plowing time and style. Earlier also we have discussed that the plowing of the field, जो खेत को जोता जाता है, that style and the time is very very important. If the plowing is not done properly, then the fertility of the soil goes down. You must have noticed that once a crop is ready, it is harvested, then the tractor is moved and a proper plowing is done in the field, and then it gets ready for the new plant, new crops. So these are some of the things which affects the fertility of the soil, and all these are artificial, man-made. Nothing is natural. Okay, understood? Okay, so I promised you that we will talk about soil productivity, and as I said earlier, the productivity of a soil is its the production, the output part, that how much production is there. We are talking about that in standard condition. That means the input is good, the management is good,